Students, welcome in this session. Today we are going to study another unit in this topic, that is the enhancement of food production, in which another unit is the role of microbes as a biocontrol agent. So firstly, what is mean by biocontrol agent? It is also called as biological control. And biocontrol, it means use of biological method to control diseases and pests. So number of microbes they are present. With the help of these microbes, the diseases and pests they are controlled. Or in other words, the natural method of eliminating and controlling the insect, pest and other diseases by using their natural biological enemies is called as biocontrol, or it is also known as biological control. So microbes they are present. The microbes like the bacteria, fungi, viruses and protozoans. With the help of these microbes, we control the insect and pest and some of the diseases. The term that is the biocontrol. Now, no doubt, these insect pests they are also controlled by using the chemicals, insecticides, as well as pesticides. But these insecticides and pesticides, they are harmful for the human beings, and therefore instead of using these insecticide and pesticide, using the microbes and to control the insect as well as pest and some of the major diseases. Hence, with the help of these microbes, we reduce the insect and pest. Some common examples of microbial biocontrol. So first one is the Bacillus thuringiensis or BT. Now this Bacillus thuringiensis, it is used against the butterflies and caterpillars. Generally, dried spores they are mixed with water and sprayed on the plants as well as fruit plants. The plants like the brassica, as well as they are also sprayed on some of the fruit plants. Now these Bacillus thuringiensis spores, they are eaten by the larvae. They are eaten by larvae, and the gut region of the insects they swells, and the larvae it should be died, and the disease they are controlled. Second is the trichoderma. Trichoderma is a free living fungi, and these trichoderma they are effective as a biocontrol agent for several foreign fungal plant pathogens. These fungus they produces The substances like the viridin, then gliotoxin, as well as glioverin, etc. These substances, they inhibit the growth of soil-borne pathogen or the fungus. There are four groups of biocontrol agents are known. They are bacteria, fungi, viruses and protozoans. The first is the microbial pesticides and their host. So at one side here pathogen and another side the host, their host. The pathogen, like first, that is the bacteria like the Bacillus thuringiensis or BT. Next bacteria like the Bacillus papilli, then Bacillus lentimorbus. Their host is the caterpillar, cabbage worm and adult beetle. Next pathogen, that is the fungi. Fungi like the Beauveria brassiana. Next is the Entomomorpha. Next is the Palindrosium. Next is the Zoophthora radicans. And their host is the aphids, croci, mealybugs, then mites, whiteflies. Next is the protozoans like the Nosema lacusti. Their host is the grasshoppers, then caterpillars, crickets, viruses like the nucleopolyhedrovirus NPV, then granulovirus GV. Their host is the caterpillar, gypsy moths, ants, beetles, etc. So after the microbial pesticides, the next is the bioherbicides. So firstly, weeds. Weeds are the unwanted plants grow in the agriculture. They also grow in the rivers. They also grow in the lakes, ponds and so on. So weeds are the unwanted plants. And for the eradication or the elimination of these weeds, instead of using the chemicals, some of the microbes they are used, that is bioherbicides. That is, microbes they are used as herbicides. So microbial herbicides and their host. Here some of the pathogens, some of the weeds they are eradicated with the help of microbes. Microbes, it may be fungi, it may be bacteria, or sometimes it may be insect. So some of the microbial herbicides and their host. The first is the pathogenic fungi as mycoherbicide. Some of the fungi like the Phytophthora palmivora. These fungi they are used against or for eradicating, for eliminating the milkweeds in orchids. Second is the Alternaria crassa. Now these Alternaria crassa, these fungi, They are used for eradicating the water hyacinth. Now these water hyacinth, they are generally grow near the in the river region. Next, that is the fusarium species. They also control the number of weeds, or the most of the weeds they are controlled by this fungus, that is the fusarium species. So which are these fungi that are used as herbicide? The first is the Phytophthora palmivora, second is the Alternaria crassa, and third is the fusarium species. They can be controlled number of unwanted plants or the weeds. The second is the bacterial pathogen as a herbicide. That is the bacterial species, different bacteria, these bacterial pathogens as a herbicide. Now first one, that is the bacteria like the Pseudomonas. They also control several or number of weeds from the agriculture or the field. The next one, that is the Xanthomonas species. They also control the number of or the several weeds from the field. Next, that is the Agrobacterium species. They are also used as herbicide for controlling number of weeds. Now next is the insect as herbicide. Now insect like the first one is the Tyra moth, which is also used for controlling the weeds like Sensio Jacobek. The next one, that is the Cactoblastis cactorium. Cactoblastis cactorium. They are also controlling the weeds like the cacti. So therefore, the number of these microbes, they are grown in that particular field to control all the weeds or unwanted plants, and which is used as these microbes, which is used as one of the herbicides.